Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Milesight WS202 light sensor and you want to reset it to the factory default settings. Now there are two main reasons you might want to do this. If this light sensor is not working and you're trying to do troubleshooting on it, like maybe it is not detecting, it seems to be not responding, or just not working in any way, we can very often fix these issues with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason is if you're setting this up in a new location, or just for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start as though this were a brand new device, we can just go ahead and clear everything out. It's very simple to do. Now you'll just need to turn it around and then open up the back where the battery is exposed, the little back panel on the light sensor, and you'll see there is a button in the middle here, and you'll need to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. And you'll know that you're done when the little indicator light on the sensor will blink green twice, indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set it up as a new device.